Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk Elite. Coming in this nice sun and white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice tow hook. We have 2 exhausts, tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera of course, roof spoiler, as well as roof racks. And moving to the front, heated door mirrors with blind spot detection, as well as 2 red tow hooks on the front, license plate bracket with front park sensing, and that nice Jeep grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with an automatic trunk opener, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, providing you with tons of storage back here. Got little storage cubbies, little hooks, the Jeep logo on the radio right there. You can close it from there. Hooks there with the 12 volt. And lifting this up, you do get a fair bit of storage with your spare tire as well. To close, you can use the key fob or this, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside, we can see we do have seating for up to 5. We have this nice perforated black leathering with red stitching, plenty of door space in the back. And of course, if you don't need that extra person in the back, you do have 2 cup holders and some arm space. We do have fans here, as well as a USB and USB-C, and, oh come on, 115 volt just right there. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle is powered, as well as having, the seats are powered, as well as having the same black leathering and red stitching, with the Trailhawk logo on the front seats, plenty of door space up front, memory seating for up to 2 drivers, and your light adjusters are just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 78,254 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your cruise control here, phone and voice, and your toggle for your screen, which you can go, let's go all the way to the top here. We have our digital speedometer, which people usually like the screen on, vehicle info, driving assist, fuel economy, trip info, auto stop and auto start, audio, so what station you're currently on, any messages the vehicle may have for you, screen setup, and your speedometer again. And look over here, you have the nice leather wrapped gear shift, parking brake with cup holders, got a little storage cubby there, aux, USB, and a 12 volt. You have your 4-wheel drive and rear locking differential. You have your downhill and your terrain modes, which are snow, sport, sand and mud, and rock. And here you have leather wrapped center console with storage above and storage below with the 12 volt and a USB. Got dual climate up front, mute, traction, auto stop, auto start, and screen off for your main screen here. Active park assist, park sensing, hazards, and lane keep just right there. Engine start, main screen. This does open up for more storage. Storage right there as well. And we have our features for a twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Now looking at your main screen here, you do have your Sirius XM and your audio. You have your media such as aux, Bluetooth, USB, USB 1 to 3. You have climate controls here as well, or down there, whatever you prefer. Heated seats and ventilated front seats with your heated steering wheel. Any apps you may have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is capable with this vehicle. User guide, so on and so forth. Your controls, so your backup camera. Heated ventilated front seats, settings, your navigation, and what phone have been connected previously. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB03811B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call if interested.